Gumagamit ka ba ng mixed method research? Then be ready kasi once marinig ng panel ang mixed method, expect na agad ang mas malalim na questions. Hindi lang basta definition ang hahanapin nila, kundi yung logic at justification ng buong study mo. Here are the 5 most common questions na madalas lumabas sa defense. Number 1, why did you choose a mixed method research design? Huwag lang sagutin na kasi may survey at interview kami. That is too surface level. Mas expected ng panel na maipaliwanag mo na hindi sapat ang isang method lang para sagutin ang research problem mo. Mas strong na idea na dapat mong ipakita, may mga tanong sa study mo na hindi kayang sagutin ng numbers lang. May mga patterns na kailangan ng statistical evidence. Pero may mga experiences din na kailangan ng deeper explanation. Kaya pinagsama ang quantitative plus qualitative para mas buo at valid ang interpretation. Number 2, why didn't you use only quantitative or only qualitative research? Dito sinusubukan ng panel kung naiintindihan mo talaga ang limitation ng methods. Hindi enough na sabihin na mas complete kasi mixed method. Mas solid na sagot should include kung quantitative lang, kulang ang context at explanation ng experiences. Kung qualitative lang, kulang ang measurable trends o generalizability. Kaya kailangan ng mixed method para makover ang quantitative, then qualitative. Ipinapakita nito na alam mo ang weaknesses ng bawat approach, hindi lang advantages. Number 3, how did you integrate your quantitative and qualitative findings? Ito yung madalas na nakakalito sa students. Ang gusto ng panel, paano nag-connect ang dalawang datasets? Common ways of integration na dapat alam mo, merging, pinagsama ang results. Halimbawa, comparison of themes and statistics. Connecting, ginamit ang results ng una para i-guide ang second phase. Embedding, may dominant method tapos sinusuportahan ng isa. Important point para dito, hindi lang pinagsama sa discussion. Dapat malinaw kung saan at paano nag-interact ang data. Number 4, which phase came first? Quantitative or qualitative? Dito papasok kung anong design ang ginamit mo. Sequential design, one after another, o concurrent design, sabayan. What the panel is really checking, may logical order ba ang data collection mo? May dahilan ba kung bakit nauuna ang isang phase? Number 5, what did the qualitative findings contribute to the quantitative results? Hindi pwedeng pareho lang sila nag-confirm. That is too basic. Ang hinahanap ng panel, value-added explanation. Stronger contributions of quantitative data. Nagbigay ng explanation kung bakit lumabas ang certain statistical result. Nag-identify ng factors behind the numbers. Nag-highlight na expected findings na hindi nakita sa survey. Nag-validate o nag-challenge ng quantitative results. In short, qualitative data should explain deeper or enrich the numbers, not just repeat them. Remember, mixed method research is not just about collecting 2 types of data. It's about connecting and integrating them to form one strong, complete explanation of your study. Now tell me, alin sa mga questions na ito ang pinaka nakakaba para sa iyo during defense? Comment me below. Thank you, everyone!